This says, solve the system. And here's what I observe, is I observe that this y is by itself. So I think to myself, ooh, this y is the same as this y. This y is the same as this y. And this y, the two y's, which are the same, are equal to this expression, this 2x minus 14. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this top equation. I'm going to copy it exactly. And the only change I'm going to make, I'm going to write 5x minus 4y. And the only change I'm going to make is I'm going to replace this y with this expression that's equal to y. And why am I doing this? The reason is now I have an equation that only has an x in it, which I can solve. So let's go ahead and do that. We're going to distribute. Okay, so I'm going to bring down 5x. This is minus 8x, right? Negative 4 times 2. Negative 4 times positive 14 is plus 56 equals 38. Okay, I'm going to combine my like terms. That's negative 3x. I'm going to subtract 56 from both sides. I get negative 3x equals negative 18. Okay, now I have x is being multiplied by negative 3. I'm going to divide by negative 3. I get x equals positive 6. Now, that means I am halfway done because now I have an x value and I still need a y value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this x value. You can plug it back into either equation. This is going to be the easier equation to plug it in because look, I already have y equals. I'm trying to figure out what y equals. So that's 2 times x minus 14. And I determined that x was 6. So this is 2 times 6 is 12 minus 14. So y equals 12 minus 14 is negative 2. And what I would really do, especially if I was like, say, let's say working on a final exam, I would check my answer, right? So like, look, I'm going to check it here. And I'm going to plug into this other equation, right? I just used this equation. So I would just check it by doing this. 5x minus 4y equals 38. So let's see, that's 5 times 6, and then y is negative 2, and let's just check. 5 times 6 is 30, negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8, and yeah, that looks good, right? 30 plus 8 is 38.